Alright, and welcome everybody to another one of our gaming videos. This time we're going to be showing you Bremen. So this is a map that we have played on FA Recruiting. Everybody go install Wolfenstein Enemy Territory. It's a free open source game. It doesn't require a fast PC. Yours probably runs it just fine. And we were playing over here on FA Recruiting. And I just recently recorded a map. It's one of my favorite maps. It's not this one, but please go to this server and check it out. FA Recruiting. It features some of the best pub players in the world. Hosted by Fearless Assassins. You can find them at fearless-assassins.com. Anyway, let's get into the game I just played. One of my favorite maps. It's certainly in my top 3 favorites. It's called Bremen. So let's check out this replay. I just played Bremen. And we'll see how I did. I had pretty decent stats. I had a couple good runs. So here's the beginning of the map. And the goal of this map is for the Axis team to defend against the Allied team. And the Allied team is charged with blowing up that gate right there. Stealing some kind of a war plans or something like that, putting it on a truck, driving a truck through the town. And we actually lose on this map, but again, I have a decent performance. Not starting out so good, though. Let's get to some killing. And there's my first victim. Again, shout out to the Fearless Assassins clan. Thanks for hosting this great server. And just broadcasting some grenades around here. And I think I actually get a killing spree here in a moment. 5 in a row without a death.
They have captured the forward bunker. Killing spree. Barrier constructed. Killing spree. Dynamite planted.
There's 5 in a row.
Come on, constructed. Dynamite defused.
Getting a little bit hectic here in this center building.
Barrier destroyed. Rebuilding.
There's at least 6 in a row.
Barrier constructed.
And I think I do get another killing spree later in the map as well here.
They have captured the forward bunker. Forward bunker reclaimed. They have captured the forward bunker. Forward bunker reclaimed. Dynamite planted. They have captured the forward bunker. Forward bunker reclaimed.
That's actually 9 in a row there. I almost had a rampage there. 9 kills in a row.
Dynamite planted.
And there we've respawned. This is usually the secondary portion of the map that I play. I try to defend the command post, which is located adjacent to this courtyard area. It's a very important command post.
Killing spree. Killing spree.
And I've not been doing a very good job defending the command post. A pretty bad job. It gets pretty hectic in this part of the map.
Killing spree. Killing spree.
They got me.
Dynamite planted. Objective taken. Objective secure. They have damaged our command post. They have constructed a command post.
Oops. And heading back to the front.
Objective taken.
Or trying to.
Objective secure. Dynamite planted.
Having a bit of bad luck here midway through the map. Let's see if we can salvage things.
Truck barrier destroyed. Rebuild it. Killing spree.
Here comes some more bad luck.
Objective taken. Objective lost.
Medic. Need a medic.
Unstoppable! Killing spree!
They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck. They have stolen the truck. They have damaged the truck. They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck. Truck barrier constructed.
I go quite a while here without any deaths. I think this actually leads to a killing spree, if I remember correctly.
Killing spree! Killing spree! Killing spree!
They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck.
Killing spree!
Damaged the truck. Dynamite planted. Truck barrier constructed. Truck barrier destroyed. Rebuild it.
Killing spree!
Time to go for some behind-the-scenes maneuvers.
Killing spree!
They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck. The truck is past the first barrier. We have damaged the truck. They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck.
We're going to do some guerrilla warfare here behind the scenes.
Damaged the truck.
Rampage!
They have repaired
Killing
the truck.
spree!
They have repaired the truck. We have damaged the truck. They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck. We have damaged the truck.
Killing spree!
There's a killing spree. And unfortunately, this guy gets me. I ran out of ammo. Did you hear my pistols going click?
Medic.
Pistols don't work well when they're out of ammo.
They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck.
Killing spree!
Medic.
Double
Dynamite
kill!
planted.
A lot of headshots there. And we lose the map here, but
Damaged the truck.
I salvaged some
Killing spree!
some of my pride here toward the end of the map. Not too bad of a little run. Had bad luck in the library for the whole map.
Dynamite planted. They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck. Truck barrier destroyed. Rebuilding. Have damaged the truck. Construct the command post. Truck is past the second barrier. They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck. Command post constructed. Have damaged the truck.
And that's all she wrote. We lose the map, but I did okay. Anyway, Thanks for tuning in to another gaming video. This one is going to end promptly here.
They have repaired the truck. They have repaired the truck.
And we'll see you next time on our gaming videos. Don't forget to check our playlists. Press like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. We'll see you soon.